Hi teacher, this is Andre Rueda and this is my video, this is my presentation about the context of my research, the stakeholder, the problem and the objective tree. Well teacher, I have to say that the research is about all the factors that affect in a negative way my own learning process in this career, the English degree at the Santo Tomas University in Cabo Caramanga. So the contest will be my own learning contest. So I have to say that I study at Santo Tomas University in the city of Bucaramanga. So I belong to the Cabo Caramanga. This is the Cabo Caramanga. Uh, I am the research is about me. So this is me, and I live in Giron, Santander. You can see in this picture the map. Giron is so close to Caramanga, just 10 or 15 minutes away. So obviously I belong to this cow, and I am in the 7th semester of this career, and I study in a distance model, right? And in this case, the stakeholder is the Santo Tomas University, obviously. That institution has a high quality accreditation and has offices in all the main cities in this country. Now about the negative aspects and how they change into positive or how they become in positive ones, I have to say that I identified four negative or yes, four main negative aspects or things that affect my own learning process. So these are poor autonomy in my own learning process. The second one is I care more about the grade than about meaningful learning. And the third one is I always hope that the teacher help me instead of looking for a solution by myself. And finally, I think that there is not optimal knowledge of virtual tools that are necessary in this learning model in distance. So these factors changed into negative or become positive, sorry, it changed into positive and became positive. I think that, for example, the level of autonomy becomes in this objective or about searching, reading, and learning about how to develop autonomy in my learning process or in any learning process. Uh, in the case about concern only in the grade, I think that it becomes in always looking for a meaningful learning in each activity, uh, and about the thing that I always want help from my teachers. It becomes in a search for my own solutions, taking advantage of the internet, or for example, the help or of a study group or my partners. And about the final thing, uh, I think that it's important that I have to look for information about how to develop skills in virtual tools. I need to try to be better and better with these tools with time. Well, and this is my introduction about the problem tree. I'm sorry, I have to watch my problem tree in my smartphone because I don't remember it very well. So, as you can see in the first part, the objective about, for example, the low autonomy in my own work. The objective is read, know, and learn about how to develop this capacity of autonomy, and the result will be improve my ability to be independent in my own learning process. For example, in the other case, in the part that I am just looking for a good grade, I have to say that the objective is looking for a meaningful learning, and the result will be better development of activities by half a more optimal learning. And in the case of that I always wait for help of my teachers, the objective is don't wait for help, and the result will be more independence and better self-learning in my process. And in the part of the not optimal knowledge about the virtual tools, the result will be the faster delivery of activities and develop these activities in an optimal way, right? So, teacher, this is my video about my research. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.